There we go. Look at the squad now. The evil boss and her henchmen. And then their lesbian cousin, I guess. There's a guy here.
God damn. I think it's all you, baby.
Call him baby.
Another one behind me.
Yo, Dank, you're breathing.
Another one behind you. Behind you.
It's fucking out of control, man. Fuck video games, dude. Go to the doctor.
Trying to snipe you.
Yo, you kidding? Dank, are you fucking kidding me? Yo, Dank.
What? Dude,
Oh,
what the hell happened?
Yo, what's wrong with your breathing? Wow. To the great.
You see the red eyes?
First of all, I didn't even get to hear the gunshot. That's how fast you died. When did you start using that in conversation? Whoop-didoo?
No clue.
That's a classic, though. Whoop-didoo? Whoop-dee, it's like a condescending version. What does it mean, like, realistically? What's the translation, like, in the condescension of it? Whoop-dee-doo. Like, okay, great. Like, how would you
Like,
explain
it's
it?
not really like your accomplishment wasn't shit.
Yeah, it's like a backhanded compliment. It's like when you say with all due respect. It's actually like you're about to say the most disrespectful shit imaginable.
Close. Sharp. He could lay it off to the supporting player.
Yo, if they come down here, we have to break out.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
we're dead. Me and Chai are dead.
The attack.
You're not any better with it on.
I am, trust me, I am. Stealing my fucking moves.
The opponent wanted to get the ball. He wasn't going to let him have it.
Oh, let's go! What? Oh my
Oh,
god, that was the highlight of the night.
The keeper had other
You almost
ideas.
had the highlight of the night. And that guy couldn't put it in.
Sharp.
Yeah, well, the guy put it in you last
This
night.
could lead to a
So.
chance.
There's Auto Trader.
It's a website for cars.
Yeah, I know. It's on the auto trade. No, what time is it over there right now? It's like 3 in the morning, ain't it?
Good defending.
It's about
And what time do you have to get up?
like 6:30.
Oh my god. This is
What a
literally
bad
a,
day.
this is literally a raccoon in the
What,
morning.
are you drinking Mountain Dew too?
No, I'm drinking water.
He's got an amped.
He's in. To the attack now.
I can't fuck with the
The only
PlayStation
rock you
joysticks.
could possibly get is maybe fucking crack. Look at this, man! Come on, man! Are we getting fucked in the ass royally?
Well, I thought it was
Just
a definite
fucking
penalty.
bent
The player
over,
must have been a bit concerned he was gonna go
fucking
for an early
split.
red, but just a yellow.
No lube.
Let's go.
The ball's loose.
I'm done now. I mean,
Post. Could come out, but in it went.
what the fuck?
Just fucking, yeah, seriously.